Hey lovelies, it's Ophelia Vanity. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but it's this really long, horrible and complicated story. I got nerve damage on my foot and there's no medication that can just cure it. I've been in an unbearable amount of pain and it takes like months altogether. Sorry for the sniffling, I also have allergies. Anyway, I figured my topic for this video would be all about makeup. I mean, it's one of my primary passions, and I noticed that out of my YouTube videos I still haven't gone over makeup yet. And what a perfect time as well, because around the middle or near the end of the month, I received 2 subscription boxes. They're both $10 a month and each contain 5 trial size items from the high-end designer makeup brand. So one of them is Sephora Play, obviously products found in Sephora, online and in stores. And the second one is the Ipsy subscription box. So I'll just be going through June's month of each, kind of looking at each item and seeing which products I like and which ones I would recommend. Okay, it got a little too dark, so I turned on the light, but then you can kind of see more of my flaws in my makeup. Okay, so now on to the Sephora Play box. So it always comes in, this box each month, like the Sephora colors. Okay, so, and then it also comes with a little pouch. So this month is really cute. It's like some of my favorite colors, like pastel. Okay, so when I first open the box, I first see a little sample of the Prada candy. Oh, this one's Sugar Pop. I guess that's the newest Prada candy line of perfumes, which is one of my favorite perfumes. Now, I'm so disappointed that they discontinued Armani Mania, which has been my absolute favorite smell for the past decade, and I can't find it anywhere, so I'm assuming they discontinued it. So trying to find a new favorite flavor like the Prada candy is definitely a great one. And I also love Lacoste Pink, which is actually really, really affordable. And then, this is Kush Mascara, or by Milk Makeup. Now, I don't really know a lot about this brand. I think I've tried an eyeliner by them or something. It was just a trial size one. I'm not too keen on the brand. Now, I haven't tried this mascara yet, so I can't really say, but actually in last month's subscription box there was the Buxom mascara, and it was actually really good. So now this is Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. I've never tried this either. I'm assuming, it's volumizing for the hair. See, this is what's great about subscription boxes. You get to try out items and brands that you've never tried before. And then you get to judge, each one, and then decide which full-size product to buy if you want to in the near future. This is by Clinique, which is obviously a famous makeup brand. Although, for my taste, my personal taste, they use a lot of products in it that I think are harmful for the skin. But either way, I mean, it's not a bad brand. So this is just makeup remover, which is always a necessity, right? Especially for a makeup video. So, experimenting with makeup, you always need a good makeup remover. Okay, Too Faced. This is a matte lipstick by Too Faced, which is one of my favorite brands for both lipsticks and eyeshadows. I love the chocolate bar eyeshadow palette. I have tried, it's a little embarrassing to admit, but as far as matte lipsticks go, I've actually gotten about 7 of the Kylie Jenner, the Kylie Kit ones, so I'm not really too familiar with other kinds. Last but not least, we have the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Increased hydration level by Belief. Wow, this is really surprising that it's a rarity that I haven't tried or heard of a lot of these brands that they included, which is awesome. So I'm really excited to try it. And obviously you put this in the bath with you. I love, like, you know, bath bombs and bubble baths and things like that, so that would be great. So yeah, that was the Sephora Play subscription box for the month of June. So let me know what you guys, which one you guys preferred, the Ipsy or the Sephora. So being that this YouTube video is all about makeup, I decided to kind of experiment with my own today. Because I've been sick and whatnot, I haven't really worn makeup at all, so this is my first time really doing a new look. So I hope you guys like it. I usually don't really do the inner corners that much, so it's just a lot of glitter, the silver, the pink, even on my lips. But yeah, so it's just always fun. That's what's great about makeup, you know, you don't have to be a professional makeup artist or anything, although it's always nice to like watch YouTube guides and tutorials and learn, but it's always fun to experiment, you know, and that's where the subscription packages come in as well, because you can try all these different trial size products and new brands, and yeah, decide which one you like to purchase in the near future. The Ipsy package always comes in this packaging. It's like a pink, dark pink, hot pink, magenta, which is totally up my alley, being that it's one of my favorite colors. Well, probably my favorite. It always comes with this facial mask by BioBell, which is a great facial mask brand, and especially this one. I love it. Hashtag unicorn glow, and I'm so glad that Ipsy is including one in every single month's subscription box. So that's what it looks like. It is so comfortable on the skin. I know it's called unicorn glow, but I just feel like, you know, it actually, your skin does glow afterwards. There's a real radiance and shine to it, and it feels so soft. Now, I am such a huge fan of facial masks. Actually, I'm a little obsessed. I've definitely tried like at least a few dozen, and this is for sure one of my favorites. And I also love the Korean ones. I mean, Korean skincare is it's prime. It's like the best in the world. It's insane how many products they have, the different types, and yeah, I just love getting Korean skincare, even though I don't even know the product name or the brand name because I don't speak Korean. But yeah, one of them, it's like crystal gold collagen, and others like dermal skincare, like different types, like snail, herb, aloe, and so on. But yeah, facial masks are definitely my thing. So once again, I would definitely recommend this BioBell hashtag unicorn glow facial mask. Every month, Ipsy also includes a little bag. It's in different colors. So this month are 3 shades of blue. I think that's kind of cute. So we open it, and they have a little card and description in the back. So I guess their prime product for this month is the MAC primer, so I'll take that one out first. I've actually used this. I have it in the full-size version. Now, even before I really got into makeup and discovering different brands, I've always been a huge fan of MAC. Like, they've been around forever, and their products withstand the test of time. Primer is very, very important. I mean, it some people don't really use it, but I love to use it. Like, you put it on and then you spread outwards, and what it does is it makes your skin ready to apply the foundation and concealer. I just feel like it's supposed to minimize the appearance of pores. I don't think it actually decreases the pores, but as far as like appearance wise, I think it minimizes its appearance. So not only with the pore reduction, but it also, like I said, helps the foundation to glide on, and it's applied more smoothly and easier, especially with a beauty blender, which is what I would recommend. So after you apply the primer, which this would be a great primer, also another one, I have a full-size one, is the Pore Professional by Benefit Cosmetics. This is a full-size one. So these two are definitely my favorite primers. You know, as you can see, this is trial size, this is full size. I would definitely recommend these two for primers. So you do that, then you put on the foundation and or concealer, and then to top it all off, I cannot go without finishing powder. My favorite is the Tarte Amazonian clay one, or the Bare Minerals. Actually, in the Sephora brand one, you know, for the Sephora brand, it's actually not bad. It's only $7 and it works really well, just not under flash photography. The finishing powder, especially for someone like me who has combination skin, which I absolutely hate, because like my forehead and my cheeks get so dry, but then like my T-zone, you know, just directly down my face and my nose and then across, gets super oily. So what the finishing powder does is it just kind of sets everything in place. You know, it really mattifies it and makes it less oily, and so the makeup also stays on longer, you know, so multiple benefits. Okay, so let's see, what else do we have in the Ipsy bag? Oh, I love eyeshadow palettes. This one's by Pacifica. I've actually never heard of this brand. See, once again, it's really exciting to discover and try new brands. It's Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadows, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Now that I'm looking at the colors on the bag, they're more like muted neutral colors. As you can probably tell, I like really bright colors, so this is probably not the eyeshadow palette for me. You can see these are the colors, but it would make a really, you know, like a nice little gift for a friend or something, which is what I tend to do with the products in the boxes that I won't use myself. You know, you won't waste it, it'll still make a nice little gift. Next is okay, it's by Hey Honey, and it's called Come Clean Propolis and Mineral Facial Scrub. It's a vitamin C and propolis enriched exfoliant. Now I literally cannot live without exfoliant. I've never tried this brand, so I'm really excited to try it, especially because of the fact that it contains one of the main ingredients is vitamin C. Now we all know that vitamin C is in fruits, mainly, you know, like oranges and whatnot, but as part of skincare, it's amazing. What it does is it really works from within to give you like, to make your skin, your natural skin, kind of glow from within. Gives it more of a glow, more of a radiance, and more brightness. So I would always recommend vitamin C in skincare brands specifically. So I definitely can't wait to try this. Now last but not least, oh, okay, this is a little lipstick hauled by the brand Finding Ferdinand. Now this looks to be like my exact color, something I would definitely use. It looks to be really similar to what I have on now, right? Now, I'm really surprised actually, because in this month's, in June's, Ipsy subscription package, like there were like 3 brands I had never even heard of, and yeah, to reiterate, I mean, that's the whole idea and goal of it, to discover new things. And I feel like I know a pretty decent bit and have a lot of makeup and different products and brands, but you know, it's always amazing to find new ones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was June's Ipsy subscription box.